one left. I just watched Broseph cut the top out of one of these Foster's cans, make himself a little pot. I've done it before, but I did see in the comments, John, in my Woodsman, made a comment where he used one of these side safety cutters and removed the top, you know, while it was still full, remove the top so he could have a lid. And I never did that before, so I'm gonna give it a shot right now. I think if I remember how to use these things. Negative. This is not gonna work. My cutter has this plastic. That plastic right there is keeping it from being able to get down there. I think. Yep. Oh well. I guess I could sand that off. I don't know. I'll be back in a minute. See what I did? I got my belt sander and I took that corner right off of there. I think it'll sit on here now. Like that. I'll be able to cut it off. I don't know what that slime is right there. Oh, it's a piece of little gasket, I guess, in between there. Anyway, no floaters. I'll pour it in my big mug. That's cool. No sharp edges. I still have that hard metal ring on there, and I even have a lid. Worked perfect. Well, the jury's still out on whether or not these things are safe, I guess. I looked on the internet, and there's some reports of some kind of a lining in aluminum cans, but it could be toxic, minutely toxic, I guess. But anyway, I can't find any recent. Everything I'm finding is pretty old. I'm still looking. Anyway, don't sue me if you get Alzheimer's or something from cooking. See you later. Bye.